So now we'll go through the types of shower enclosure. What kind of shower enclosure can be suggested to a client depending on his requirement or depending on his aesthetic willingness to beautify his bathroom. So there are 4 type of shower enclosure commonly used in market. The first thing is fixed corner shower enclosure. I'll take you in detail also what is fixed corner. Then the second category says sliding. So as it says sliding means the door will be in a sliding position. Then the third is openable door. So instead of sliding, you may opt a openable door. Then fourth category where you are using designer glasses. So these all 4 category compositely belongs to the shower enclosure category. Depending on client's choice, depending on client's need, we can suggest any of this shower enclosure to our customers. So we'll see why fixed corner, in what cases we can recommend sliding, in what cases we can recommend openable door, and what kind of designer glasses are available in this category. So first we'll see fixed corner. You can see this shower enclosure is being fixed in a corner. Why we are calling it as fixed is, first of all, it is available in fixed sizes. Let's say there are people who are going for fixed size of sofa, fixed size of table, fixed size of TV unit, fixed size of bed. So they don't have time or they don't have the space to customize the product. So simply they will go and they will buy a ready-made product available in market because of the time constraint or because of the size constraint. So in same way, shower enclosure also available in fixed sizes, where a customer will walk into the dealer shop, sanitary shop, and he will ask for a specific size, that let's say I need a shower cubicle for 3 by 3, I mean 3 feet by 3 feet. So simply that will be available. So the first thing, it will be available in fixed sizes. So he can get it and he can go through it. Then the height is also standard. So height, let's say the most commonly used height is 6.5 feet, means 1950 mm approx. So a customer will go, he will tell I need a height for 7 feet. So he won't be able to get it in 7 feet because the fixed sizes will be available in only 6.5 feet. So either he'll have to go for it or he'll have to opt for some customized option. Then this enclosure will be fixed with all side profile. You can see all side there are some profiles which is being in chrome finish. So maintenance of this product will be very critical, because too much of chrome product need to maintain daily, need to clean daily. Then in this, no hinges required. So if no hinges is there, you can't open. It will be only in sliding mechanism. You will have to just slide the door and get in. Then the biggest disadvantage of this product is it cannot be fixed in wall to wall. Mostly this model will be available in corner only. So that is why this model is not running in that market, I mean in market at that level. Why? Because people are not restricted to a limited size. Every customer has a different size of bathroom. Every customer has a different size of bathroom, different height, different ceiling space. So when it comes to the shower enclosure product, it is not possible to go for a fixed size product. Though people are there who are willing to have such fixed product just to accommodate some space, just to separate it wet and dry area. So maybe they can go for it. Or mostly you can see height is also standard, length is also standard, width is also standard. So you don't have that much of customization in this, that much of possibilities in this. No glass variety will be available. So it is not widely accepted by the people in this market. And then to the biggest disadvantage is it can't be fixed on wall to wall. It will be limited to corner only. So anyway, that's a category which is available in market, which we need to understand that yes, that kind of shower enclosure is also available. If sometime a customer is coming in rush, I need a shower enclosure tomorrow itself, and that this is my size, no need to send anybody for taking measurement. Yes, of course he can go for it. He'll buy it, he'll get it installed by some technical expert available in market. Coming to the next model, sliding model. So this is again not that commonly used model, but yes, in hotels, in commercial space you may see this kind of model, because there is again limitation of sizes. Hotels room will be having a fixed size of washroom, so they can use because it is limited and it is fixed also. Height is also standard. Then it is fixed with wall profile, but compared to that corner one, you can see there are only 2 or 3 wall profiles. So one on the left side, one on the another side where is the closing been happening, and one profile is being kept on top side to hold the channel and the roller. So compared to corner model, this is still compatible for fixed sizes installations. Then no hinges required. as it's a fixed model, it will work on the rollers, no hinges required. Then it can be fixed in corner or wall to wall depending on the requirement. It can be of sliding, it can be of sliding wall to wall. So again, not that commonly used in residential spaces, but of course yes, in commercial spaces sometimes people may like this kind of concept because it is easy to install, right, easy, less time consuming, but maintenance compared to the door one, again it is higher than that one. So it depends on the customer choice. If something is if some needs are coming in that way, we can of course suggest this model. It can be fixed in wall to wall also, yes, of course. Then third category comes in, that is swing door, means openable door. This is the most commonly used category in this shower enclosure. Why? I'll tell you. The first thing, it is a customized model. Whatever design you need, it can be customized because it is being fixed on the hinges, as simply we are fixing our door. As like we can fix door in any way, any size, it is in the same way. So it is fully customized as per client's need. Height is also customized. If somebody is having a 10 feet ceiling, 9 feet ceiling, he can go for 7 feet enclosure, he can go for 8 feet height, he can go for 9 feet height. So height is also customized, whereas in fixed glass, fixed corner, whether it's sliding, it was not possible to go for a height more than 6.5 feet. So that's the benefit of this category. Then fixed with hinges and bracket. So because you are going to increase the height, so it depends on how many hinges and how many brackets required. You can fix it up with hinges and brackets depending on the height. Then it can be fixed in wall to wall. As you can see here, it is being fixed in corner. The same thing can be fixed in wall to wall provisioning also. Then it is openable and can be fixed in corner area. So this is the fully customized model, whereas the customer has full liberty to opt any kind of sizes, width, any length, any height, whatever the customer requirement, you can fully customize this product depending on the number of hinges and brackets used in this category. So this is the most commonly used product category in this business. Now coming to designer glass. When it comes to designer glass, there are different type of glass available in this category which can be used for shower enclosure product as well. As we have seen in our interior business model, there are n number of glasses, colored glasses, lacquered glasses, laminated glasses, tinted glasses. So out of those, few has been selected to placed in this category also, whereas the first comes with online coated glass. As I said, there are some anti-limescale coatings available in market. So instead of that, there are some glasses which has got pre-coated. So coating is being happening when the glass is being manufactured and being tempered. So at that time itself, the coating is being done. So that's of course will have a longer life compared to the external normal coating. So that kind of glass can be used for this shower enclosure category. Then second is extra clear glass. Extra clear glass, as a clarity is the biggest part of a glass. So again, normally the glass which is being used has got 88 to 90% of clarity. But in this category also, people can use an extra clear glass, which is again going to enhance the aesthetic appeal of bathroom space. Then the third category which is available, as we discussed, that is frosted. Apart from frosted, there is a ceramic frit category also. Ceramic frit means it will make glass more and more opaque, so you won't be able to see through it. So that is something different which is being used in commercial spaces, in hotels also, where the partition is being made by glass itself. Or you might have experienced this thing in gym or clubhouses, in spa, where the small cabins are there to take shower, to take steam, or to take sauna bath, or to take some other activities. So that kind of glass may be used there. So that's the most commonly used glass in this category, which is known as ceramic frit. Then reflective glass, as in our interior category, you might have gone through it. Reflective glass, which can be reflect the outside images. So it's basically a tinted glass, you can see here. And then the toned category, the fully colored glass, in which there are 3-4 colors available in this category, which can be used of shower enclosure glass. So other than a normal clear glass, you can see here, you can suggest any kind of glass available in this category. So there is a varied choice of selecting glass also in shower enclosure. So that is how a glass can beautify the interior space, the bathroom space of our clients. Now coming to the types of shower enclosure. As of now, we understood what shower enclosure is, what are the components of a shower enclosure, what kind of glass can be selected for a shower enclosure. And all the three things has been decided. We need to understand what kind of shower enclosure can be suggested to client. So, category primarily there are 6 to 7 type of shower enclosures, which we have categorized like this: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, type 6 and type 7. I will take you through one by one. Let us go first wall to wall. As we discussed that there are two categories, one is being wall to wall, the another category is sliding or corner. So, you can see here type 1, type 2, type 3. These all three types of categories are considered or as known as wall to wall category. Why? Let us say there are two walls in a bathroom where a customer want to fix a glass from one corner to the another corner, I mean one wall to the another corner. So, there are three different ways where I can pitch this product. The first one is he can fix up a single glass panel. Why single glass panel? When the space is less, he can fix a one glass panel which will just prevent water to come out from shower area to the WC area. So, it is a fixed panel or it may be a door panel. So, as you can see here, there are two connectors. I will show you this thing. The first, which is known as wall to glass hinges, the another one is here, that is also wall to glass hinge. So, your door handle is here, simply it is a one panel fixed onto the wall. With the help of this brackets, this hinges, you can just open up. So, it is an openable door which has got only one panel. So, generally known as type 1 or people will call it a door panel glass, which will help you to prevent water to come out from shower enclosure to WC or maybe to wash basin, because whenever there is a shower cubicle, it will be adjoining to WC area or maybe in somewhere wash basin area. So, our purpose to put a shower enclosure is to eliminate water from that dry area to the another area. So, that is how you can differentiate with this type 1. Now, coming to type 2, you can see here there are two panels, one is the fixed panel part and one is the door panel. So, this is fixed panel part and this one is door panel. So, to fix fixed panel, we need brackets here. So, one is here and one you can see here. So, this is fixed bracket. As we discussed, now this bracket will be of brass, because brass is considered as anti-corrosive metal or very less prone to corrosion. So, these connectors will be of brass. On the other side again there are two hinges, 1, 2, where door is going to fixed on the wall. So, in this category we are having type 1, type 2. Another is type 3. So, why type 3? Now, you can see the distance is also getting larger. So, if width is more, customer can fix two glass, means one fix in one panel. If width is more than that, then customer can go for two fix and one door partition, which is known as type 3. So, in this you can see there are two fix, this is one and another one is this, and center they are having door part. So, it can be any of the side, left side or right side opening, depending on the customer requirement. Coming to the hinges part, there are two type of hinges being used in this category. The first is wall to glass hinges, which is being used in type 1 also, which is being used in type 2. These are wall to glass. Why wall to glass? You can see the door is being fixed on wall. So, we call it wall to glass hinge. Whereas, in the type 3, you can see glass is, door panel is in center. It means it is being fixed on glass. So, the hinges which is used in type 3 category is basically glass to glass 180 degree hinges. 180 means it is in linear position like this. So, glass can be opened in this way or it can be opened in this way. So, it is a 180 degree hinges. So, that is the basic differentiation in between the hinges which is being used in this wall to wall category. So, either it can be of wall to glass hinges if your door is going to be fixed on wall, or it can be of glass to glass 180 degree hinges in case if your door is going to fix in this glass panel. So, you can see here type 1 which hinges is being used, it is a wall to glass. Why? Because door is on wall. Type 2 again one fixed panel, one door panel, where it is being used is wall. So, again the hinges are used is wall to glass hinge. Then type 3 you can see two fixed and one door. and door is in center. So, when door is in center, it is being used on glass. So, here we are going to use glass to glass hinges, which is 180 degree. 180 degree means linear position. So, there are two basic hinges being used in wall to wall category. Now, we will go through corner models. So, corner again there are three models, you can see type 4, type 5 and type 6. Now, what is the difference? Let us understand one by one. Type 4 you can see one fix, one door. So, one fix again fixed on wall clamp and door which is being fixed on wall to glass hinges. So, same hinges which was being used in wall to wall category. Type 5 again there are two fix, one fix is here, one fix is here and one door which is being fixed on again wall to glass hinges. Now, in this category type 5, the same door can be opened here also. So, if door is opening at this position, then hinges will change to glass 180 degree, because again it is opening on glass. In type 6, what is the difference? Again same two fixed and one glass, but now the glass is opening at 90 degree, you can see here. So, as I said in type 5, glass was like this and you are opening like this. Now, in type 6 you can see the glass is in angle, angle mean to say like this 90 degree. So, glass is opening from here. So, here we are using this glass to glass 90 degree hinges, you can see. First is wall to glass hinge which is here in type 4. The second is glass to glass hinges 180 if you are using door here. If using here means it is wall to glass only. Then third is glass to glass 90 degree hinges which is here. You can see the glass is in rectangle position. So, that is what the basic difference in between hinges. So, let us sum up. If door is being used on wall, the hinges will be wall to glass hinges. If door is being opened on glass, hinge will be of glass to glass 180 degree, means linear. If door is opened on glass but in rectangular position, the hinges will be used of glass to glass 90 degree, which is being used in type 6. So, primarily 3 type of wall to wall models and 3 type of corner models.